Ever wondered if your bank holds the keys to your cash, or if there's a secret vault door that swings shut after you withdraw a certain amount? It's a question many of us have, especially when we need a larger sum of money. Today, we're diving into the specifics of Lloyds Bank cash machine limits. How much can you actually withdraw, and are there any hidden rules you should know about? It might seem like a simple question, but the answer isn't a single, universal figure. Banks, including Lloyds, implement daily withdrawal limits for a few key reasons: security, fraud prevention, and to manage their cash flow. Imagine if there were no limits. It would be far easier for fraudsters to empty accounts, and ATMs would constantly be running out of cash. So, these limits, while sometimes a little inconvenient, are there to protect you and the banking system. For most Lloyds Bank debit card holders with a standard current account, the daily cash machine withdrawal limit is £800. This is a pretty common figure across many UK banks. This £800 limit applies to withdrawals made directly from Lloyds Bank ATMs or any other cash machine displaying the Visa symbol. So, whether you're at a Lloyds branch or a generic ATM in a supermarket, that £800 cap is generally in place. But here's where it gets a little nuanced. This £800 isn't just for ATM withdrawals. If you also make a withdrawal over the counter at a post office, that also counts towards your daily £800 limit. For example, if you withdraw £300 at the post office, you'd only be able to withdraw a further £500 from a cash machine on the same day. The post office itself has a daily withdrawal limit of £300 from a current account. Now, what if you have a different type of account with Lloyds? The limits can vary. For instance, some specific account types like Card Cash, Easy Cash, and Express Cash accounts might have a lower daily limit, often around £300. It's always a good idea to check the specific terms and conditions for your particular account if you're unsure. What about if you need more than £800? Is there a way around it? Absolutely. The daily cash machine limit is for ATM withdrawals. If you need a larger sum, you can always go into a Lloyds Bank branch and withdraw money over the counter. There's generally no set limit for over-the-counter withdrawals, provided you have the funds in your account. However, if you're planning to withdraw a very large amount, it's often advisable to give the branch some notice, perhaps 24 hours, to ensure they have the cash readily available. This helps them manage their branch's cash reserves and ensures a smoother experience for you. It's also worth noting that your overall daily payment limits, which include bank transfers and other transactions, are often much higher than the cash withdrawal limit. So, if you're looking to move a large sum of money, an online transfer might be a better option than multiple ATM trips. In essence, while the £800 daily ATM limit is a general guideline for many Lloyds Bank debit card holders, it's not the be-all and end-all of your access to your money. Understanding these limits helps you plan your withdrawals effectively and avoids any unexpected surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.